So this is a little video about our recent trip to San Francisco, California. We left Obregon on November 12th, and after a really long trip, we arrived to San Francisco on Thursday night. And on Friday, we went to the Union Square, and it's such a beautiful place. I loved it. And on Friday, we went to Alcatraz Island, and we had a tour there. And the next day we went to Lombard Street and the AT&T Park and also the famous Golden Gate Bridge. And everything was awesome, and we took many pictures and we had so much fun. And our last day, it was so much fun and it was thrilling because we went to Six Flags Magic Mountain. And after that, we left and we went to LA to the City Walk for like 3 hours, and we did some shopping and had dinner in there, and it was a really, really cool trip, and I will always remember it. And I think my favorite moment was when we were like wandering around the Union Square. I think that was the best, and also going to Six Flags because I love roller coasters. Can I make you like a little interview for homework?
Yeah, okay.
Where are you from?
Sweden.
Okay, from Stockholm.
No, actually from the southern part, Malmö.
And you're here like on vacation?
We're here for like studies.
Like exchange?
Yeah, we're just doing a short research project here in San Francisco.
That's cool. And what's your favorite part? Like your favorite place?
Oh, I don't know.
No, there's so many places. I mean, Hyde Street is nice.
Yeah.
Mission.
Like Hyde Ashbury,
Yeah.
around that.
And what else?
¿Cuánto tiempo se van a quedar?
How long are you staying?
Until Wednesday.
And then back
¿Y les ha gustado?
And you like here like America in general?
Yeah, it's nice.
Different from Europe?
Yeah.
Yeah, but not that much. I mean, it's kind of,
Same big cities there?
yeah.
Same way of life.
Yeah, like everyday work.
Yeah.
My name is Jimena. I'm going to make you a little interview. What's your name? Okay. And are you from here, from California? Yeah. And what's your where do you live? Like in what city? And what's like your favorite place in California, like in LA or San Diego? And what are like your favorite places there?
I like Old Town, I like San Onofre, beaches, I like the surf.
And you work here like Six Flags have you been working here for a long time?
You'll get a half pound of fudge.
Briefly.
Yeah,
Shop
like
at the
I really
Looney
like it.
Tunes Superstore
And, do
with
you
its
like it?
large variety of superhero
Do
and
you like
Looney Tunes
like
personality
American
hats, jewelry, and one-of-a-kind
Thank you.
t-shirts.
Have a nice
To
day.
commit